Yeah, because I went by Marie's house and I said, let me go see other cousin Jesse. And I went out there and passed Harry and Betty and I blew, they didn't answer. And then I went on down to my mom's house and I said, where's everybody? Yeah, that's good, Daniel. That's good. My girlfriend from Jersey, she asked me, she said, are you sure your cousin can paint? I said, well, they tell me he's a good painter. I told her, I said, I'm gonna let him do the small bathroom first. We'll see. Okay. She had told me because I was trying to take sand and trying to clean it. And it wasn't working. And I couldn't find my little Bristol brush. So that is a good socket, huh?
Hmm.
That is a good socket, huh? That socket down there.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know why he had a problem.
I mean, from what you showed me, the vacuum worked. So the only thing we
yeah, but like when it came to the TV, he said, "No, it's not." I said,
You have the power cable to well, I mean, it's connected. Have you already powered it up?
No, the TV. Well, the TV it actually works, but he was saying something about this socket. That's all I know.
Okay.
Now, I know my question.
I'm listening.
My question is, I did put on there that I would like for it to, like run up against the wall.
The cord?
Mm-hmm. And then put on their white cord to go with this. So, yeah, that was in the message.
Oh, you mean the external masking cord?
Okay, let me slow down. I've been so busy. The cord is going to be there, so that'll be fine. Is there any way